Welcome to another episode of Tommy's Trains. In today's video, I've got a later version of the Cop and Hobo car. And this came out in '62 and it wasn't run until '64. Basically, they took a short box car, modified it, and made it a hydraulic lift so they could work on tracks like a maintenance car. This was released again during the MPC days, and so this one here, like I said, it came out, I believe this one's in '89. That's what I saw in the box. This is a 616-614 operating Cop and Hobo car. This one, yeah, 1989, made in Lithuania, US. A neat little setup. I think it's kind of fun. It's one of these things that you can find reasonably cheap. This one here is brand new in the box, never been used. The bag is sealed, so we'll get that out. This just, looks like one of those cheap MPC box cars that comes with the starter sets. Doors don't work or anything, but this does have metal trucks and metal wheels on it, so it does have some weight to it. Now, I don't know if you pronounce this Reading or Reading. I always pronounce it Reading. I might be wrong. Here we've got some hardware. Here's our trestle. So these are definitely the MPC versions because they're white. The original Lionel versions had flesh-colored hands and faces. I love it when I get brand new in the box stuff to show you what it looked like when it was brand new. So basically, you've got 2 springs, some screws, some nuts. So as you can see, this is a pretty neat accessory. It takes a little bit of tweaking to get the spring-loaded, hydraulic platform to line up just right because the people have these little tabs and it has to hit the track at just the right angle to go through. And so factory defect, actually, the Cop, this little tab in the bottom was gone, so I had to drill a little tiny hole and put a nail through it, and now it works fine. But just one of those things where even though it's brand new in the box, that little piece was missing. But pretty cool. I mean, realistic? No. But again, a lot of times, when we play with Lionels, we're playing with it because they're fun toys. They're not necessarily trying to be realistic. We can do realistic operations, but a lot of the thrill for me with the Lionels is just thinking about being a little kid and the trains and all the action accessories that came with them or that you could get. So I appreciate you watching this episode of Tommy's Trains, where we had the 616-614 operating Cop and Hobo car. I think there were other variables. I think there were other cars. This one just happens to be Reading. But if you've seen a different road name, I'd love to hear it. I'd also love to hear your comments. Have you got one of these? Have you played with one of these before? What do you think? Talk to you next time.